Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 1st of July 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 1st of July 2021. Our first question is, which following day is celebrated as National Statistics Day? Answer is option number 3, 29th June. Every year 29th June is celebrated as National Statistics Day. This day is celebrated to create public awareness about the importance of statistics in socio-economic planning and policy formulation in India. The day acknowledges notable contribution of late Professor P.C. Mahalanobis in fields of statistics, statistical system and economic planning. P.C. Mahalanobis is the legendary Indian scientist and statistician who is best known for the Mahalanobis distance, a key statistical measure. P.C. Mahalanobis had founded the Indian Statistical Institute, that is ISI, and had also set up the Central Statistical Organization to coordinate statistical activities in the country. So answer will be option number 3, 29th June. This was P.C. Mahalanobis. Next, who among the following has recently flight tested the new generation nuclear capable ballistic missile Agni-P, an advanced variant of the Agni class of missiles? Answer is option number 2, DRDO. Agni-P is an advanced variant of the Agni class of missiles and is canisterized missile with a range capability between 1000 km to 2000 km. The Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, has recently flight tested the new generation nuclear capable ballistic missile from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha recently in June 2021. So answer will be option number 2, DRDO. DRDO long form is Defense Research and Development Organization, founded in 1958. Its headquarters is in New Delhi and currently Dr. G. Satish Reddy is the chairman of DRDO. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the Special Director of CBI? What is CBI? Long form is Central Bureau of Investigation. It is the premier investigating agency of India operating under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pension, Government of India. It was founded in 1942. Headquarters is in New Delhi and currently Subodh Kumar Jaiswal is the Director or DG of CBI. And recently, option number 1, Praveen Sinha has been appointed as the Special Director of CBI. The post of Special Director is the second senior most position in the CBI after Director, and the post was vacant for the last 3 years, and Government of India has recently appointed CBI Additional Director Praveen Sinha as the Special Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI, a post earlier held by Rakesh Asthana. So answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following space agency has recently announced to send physically disabled person into the space? Answer is option number 1, ESA, that is European Space Agency. European Space Agency is an intergovernmental organization of 22 member states dedicated to the exploration of space. It was founded in 1975 and headquarters is in Paris, which is in France. And recently this ESA has announced to send physically disabled person into the space. So answer will be option number 1. Next, Deepika Kumari is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, archery. Look at the image. This is Deepika Kumari, who was awarded with Arjun Award in 2012, with Padma Shri in 2016 and also awarded with FICCI Sportsperson of the Year, in 2014. And she is a star Indian archer and she is in news because she has recently gained the number 1 position in the global ranking following the hat-trick of the gold medals at World Cup Stage 3 in Paris. So answer will be option number 1, archery. Next, Hockey India has recently nominated Indian men's hockey goalkeeper P.R. Srijesh and former women's hockey player Deepika for which of the following award? Answer is option number 1, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, or officially known as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in Sports and Game, is the highest sporting award of the Republic of India. The award named after Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India, who served from 1984 to 1989 as the Prime Minister of India, and this award is annually awarded by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It carries cash prize of 25 lakhs, and recently Hockey India has nominated P.R. Srijesh and Deepika for this award in 2021, and Hockey India what is Hockey India? Hockey India is the highest governing body of hockey in India. It works under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, as the sole body responsible towards promoting hockey in India. It conducts and directs all activities for both men and women hockey in India. It was founded in 2009. Headquarters is in New Delhi, and currently Ganendra Nigumam is the president of Hockey India. So answer will be option number 1, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Next, which of the following country has recently announced to impose ban on advertise of junk food on TV and online platform in daytime? Answer is option number 4, UK. Recently, UK has announced to impose a UK-wide pre-9 p.m. ban on TV advertise for food high in sugar, salt and fat. Products affected with this include chocolate, burgers, soft drinks, cakes, sweet ice creams, biscuits, sweetened juices, crepes, chips and pizzas. There will also be new rules on online promotion, but firms selling junk food will still be able to run their websites. A total ban on online adverts was proposed last year, but this has been scaled back after consultation. So answer will be option number 4, UK. Next, which of the following state government has recently announced to abolish interviews for Group 1 services and all other competitive examinations for recruitment to government jobs? Answer is option number 1, Andhra Pradesh. The state government of Andhra Pradesh has recently announced that it had abolished interviews for Group 1 services and all other competitive examinations for recruitment to government jobs. Henceforth, there will be no interview for all the examinations conducted by the Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, that is APPSC. Earlier, the state government in 2019 took decision not to conduct interviews for various notifications except Group 1, which includes the post of DSPs, Deputy Collectors and Deputy Commissioners. The government said that the decision was taken with a view to maintain utmost transparency and ensuring complete trust of the competing candidates in the entire selection process. So answer will be option number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, look at map, this is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the first state to be formed on linguistic basis in India on October 1st, 1953. Its capital is Amravati. Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. CM is YS Jaganmohan Reddy. Its legislature has 175 plus 58 members, that is in Vidhan Sabha there are 175 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 58 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Andhra Pradesh. It borders with Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Andhra Pradesh and Kuchipudi is the cultural dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Next, who among the following has been recommended by BCCI for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2021? Answer is option number 1, R. Ashwin. Recently, BCCI, that is the Board of Control for Cricket in India, has decided to nominate the names of R. Ashwin and Women's Test and ODI skipper Mithali Raj for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2021. The board or the BCCI has also decided to recommend the names of KL Rahul, Jasprit Bumrah and Shikhar Dhawan for Arjun Award. So answer will be option number 1, R. Ashwin. And what is BCCI? Long form is Board of Control for Cricket in India. It was founded in 1958. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently president is Saurabh Ganguly. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Asteroid Day? Answer is option number 4, 13th June. The International Asteroid Day is celebrated on 13th June every year to promote awareness around asteroids and can we protect our planet from asteroids. So answer will be option number 4, 13th June. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following state or union territory has recently launched Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthik Sahayata Yojana? Answer is option number 4, Delhi. Which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of the Seafarer? Answer is option number 2, 25th June. Next, which of the following day is observed as International Day in support of victims of torture? Answer is option number 2, 26th June. With which of the following technology giant Reliance Jio has recently collaborated to provide 5G? Answer is option number 3, Google Cloud. Which of the following day is celebrated as International Yes Is Day? Answer is option number 4, 27th July. Name the new operating system which has been recently launched by Microsoft. Answer is option number 4, Windows 11. Who among the following has been recently launched a centralized web-based workflow-based IT platform called EPCGS? Answer is option number 1, LIC. Eighth question was, which of the following state has became the first state in India to be rabies free? Answer is option number 3, Goa. Ninth question was, which of the following bank has recently launched Arogyam Healthcare Business Loan to provide enhanced support to the healthcare sector amid the pandemic? Answer is option number 1, SBI. And 10th question was, Ramgarh Vijdari Sanctuary is located in which of the following state? It is located in Rajasthan, option number 4. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, RBI has recently approved the appointment of Chandrasekhar Ghosh as the MD and CEO of which of the following bank? Answer is option number 3, Bandhan Bank. Recently, RBI or Reserve Bank of India has approved the appointment of Chandrasekhar Ghosh as the MD and CEO of the Bandhan Bank. So answer will be option number 3. Now today's question is, Megha Rajgopalan, who is seen in news recently, is related to dash. Options are film, agriculture, space research and journalism. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.